Hello friends, today are tough times of COVID disease. What is suffering from pandemic of corona? There are important things to remember during COVID disease, which we will share with you so that you can tackle this COVID disease wisely. Everyone is worried about COVID. So many information are available on social media, Google, WhatsApp, and we are confused. First of all, don't get panic. Here are some important points to remember when you have COVID or having COVID like symptoms. Any symptom of fever, malaise, headache, dry cough, dryness of mouth for last 2-3 days, then think of COVID in today's times. Don't think that it might be viral fever, typhoid fever, or any other illness. It is confirmed that symptoms like this indicate COVID only. Don't fear, but don't avoid it by ignoring it. What to do when you are having COVID or COVID like symptoms? First of all, isolate yourself so that your family member don't get suffer from this disease. Start taking plenty of fluids. Stop fried, fast and outside food. Start charting your temperature and oxygen saturation. Don't get panic. Consult your doctor online or nearby any available doctor. Remember one important point. 85% of COVID cases are mild. Symptoms of fever, dry cough, malaise will last for 4-5 days and then they start subsiding, and most of these 8 cases recover itself after some times. And there is no need to run for RT-PCR test if not easily available, because if there are symptoms, definitely it is COVID. Monitor your symptoms in first 2-3 days. Remember when your symptoms started, when was the day that you got fever. Remember when your symptoms start changing, when you are having cough, on which day you are having cough. These timing of symptoms is very important, because in this COVID disease the timing is very important, that when you will need treatment at right time. It is not the type of treatment, because treatment is same at all hospitals. Remember, in your COVID symptoms period, 5th day is most important day. If any fever is more than 101 degree after taking paracetamol for last 4-5 days, even on the 5th day, malaise is lasting on the 5th day, severe dry cough, you are not able to speak properly for 5 days, on 5th day, and your saturation is going down by 5 points after 6-minute walk, then remember these symptoms are serious. Now you have to take it seriously and start your 6-minute walk type test. Start it from 3rd day. When these symptoms are there, take it serious. Again consult your doctor, and this is the time to get investigation done. Chest X-ray, CT scan, whichever is easily available, blood test, to get that how much severe this disease is inside your bare body. Remember some important warning sign. If oxygen saturation is less than 19, not able to walk to a washroom or speak complete sentence, then remember that this is a severe COVID disease. Time to get admission. And hold your symptoms of COVID, on whole your COVID disease period, always be positive. Talk to your friends, relatives. Remember your good days. Don't think negative and avoid negative on social media. Definitely it will boost your immunity and you will definitely defeat this virus. Thank you. Remember this point and follow important guidelines or COVID appropriate behavior in your life to be safe and stay safe from the COVID. Use N95 or double cloth mask, avoid crowd and any function. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.